Beauty Kolkata's 826th episode today, and I'm Lalia. After a long time, I'll be displaying you our ready-made designer blouse collection. Today, the whole episode will be on beautiful designer blouses for you. You will love them. The very unique designs, concepts, fabric use for a lot of sarees you can mix and match. But before I go to the blouses, I want to tell you something about the one that I'm wearing. Just because I teamed it with a ready-made blouse of ours, I just wanted to share the details of this pure silk matka Bengal handloom sari with muslin weaving, and here we have copper coin, the brass coin weaving, which is done inside the muslin weave. This is not joined, this is woven. Look at this lovely muslin palla. So these monotone saris with two effect of a different fabric, silk matka and silk muslin with a touch of antique brass. It's look beautiful, and you can mix and match with lot of your blouses and also your jewelries. So color option of this pure silk handloom sari is this grey color, this dark slate color, with the blouse piece. The blouse piece will be in matka and it will have the muslin border. So I would suggest you can make nice frill with this muslin part without giving a lining, and the rest you give lining, astar dekar you can make the blouse. That will look really nice. This is the grey color. Once again, details of the sari. Very classy, and it's a charcoal grey color, so you can wear it this winter party season as well. And of course the black. Price is all going in the screen, but I'm also telling you 8,200. Here also we have the muslin border for the blouse, and the whole sari comes like this with the pallu. Bengal hand woven muslin with matka weave, and also the one which the doll is wearing, it's a jacket set. So we have a inner of a good quality cotton, sleeveless. You can wear it with this jacket or wear it as a sleeveless kurta only. You can open this and here is the separate two-piece jacket set, printed, very smart looking, collared, ideal for light, for airport wear, office wear. You can wear it as a dress or with a plazo. As a dress or with a plazo. Very smart looking, A-line cut with blazer collar. And we have sizes. The sizes are all mentioned in the video. 40. If you have any confusion in the size, just tell me your chest size of any good fit kurta. I'll let you know which sizes are. 40, 42, 44, 46. Price 2990, two-piece jacket kurta. And the jewelry set that I'm wearing is 4,500. Choker, Kundan choker set, 4,500. I'll come to the blouse later, because I'll be displaying you more colors. So here I start with a beautiful cut blouse. You can see this is a masaba cut blouse. So it is fixed. Sizes, let me tell you, we have colors and designs in this. So sizes, this is a 38 size. We can reduce it to 36 or 40. So one size can be reduced or increased to 40. 38 can be increased to 40, 42 also. And also we can take orders. Our time span for orders will be 30 to 40 days approximately, and then shipping time. So this is the first one. It's a pure silk bandhej with zari buta. Back side, front, Next, the color option is purple. We will take orders 30 to 40 days time, but only the size can be different, but design will be same. Prices all mentioned, and these are premium quality, different, you know, this is not the regular stitching. We pay much higher rate to the tailor Master Ji for this kind of stitching. The cups, the fitting will be totally different. It will be a very different kind of a fit altogether. This is a tissue Banarasi blouse. Look at the cut and the pattern. Very interesting, very modern yet contemporary, very uncommon piece, latest designs, unique patterns, which goes with lot of your sarees. I'll also show you the opening. This opening is in the back side, so very easily you can alter also. See, this is the amount of margin we have inside. You can see the finishing. So 2 inches easily आप increase कर सकते हो, 1.5 inch तक ये increase हो जाएगा. Tissue pista Banarasi, sleeveless. This is the copper color. Can you see the cut? This fits so well. I'm very, very finicky about the fit. You can see from the blouses that I wear and also the blouses that you have tailored from us. Very good reviews which we put up in our WhatsApp status. So these are the, after a long time I'm showing these kind of blouses. Now here comes the latest design, Bollywood inspired corset blouses. You can wear it with your denims and wear a blazer on top of that. You can wear it, as a blouse. You can wear it with skirts, lehengas. You can style it multiple ways. These are in things now and very easily adjustable. I've made it very, very friendly, user friendly, so that if you want a bigger size, so ये वाला आपका बढ़ जाएगा. Easily you can adjust very easily. These I've done it that way only. So if you want it to reduce the depth, easily you can just put a stitch and this reduces. Okay. Inside इसका fitting बहुत सुंदर है. Color black. I'll show more color options and very premium quality, premium finish. Prices सब लिखा हुआ है, very reasonably priced, and we have used all pure Banarasis, not the art one. All pure Banarasi fabrics we have used, and this is all handwork. ये जो मोती का काम है, ये मोती देखिए कितना टोन ऑन टोन मोती यूज हुआ है और वो भी हैंडवर्क. बहुत दिन वेट किया, फिर ये वाला आया. इस सब का फिटिंग आप पहनने के बाद आपको पता चलेगा, इतना सुंदर इसका फिटिंग है. So with this, if you wear just a black blazer and denim, or also you can wear a skirt, flared skirt, straight skirt. These are very, very in thing and they look very smart. Try them. Try कीजिए. और colors भी, the colors that we've made this time, so it's just that it goes with a lot of sarees. These common colors we've made that goes with a lot of sarees. जैसे ये maroon color, जितना सारा मैंने टिश्यू का दिखाया, सब बहुत सारा साड़ी के साथ आपका चल जाएगा. बहुत ही सुंदर पीस है. I love this. Look at this. So many. So if you have silver zari in your blouse, in your sari, you have gold zari, you have copper or bronze zari. So all these goes with this one blouse. And look at the back side. Every piece खुद ड्रॉ करके ये सब कारीगर को समझा के मैंने भी एक दो पीस अपने लिए, ज़्यादातर हर पैटर्न में मैंने भी रखा है. बहुत सुंदर. दिस इज अ क्लोज नेक, स्लीवलेस, multicolored tissue blouse. Sizes can be made. Number 12. Again another premium quality pure tissue blouse, sleeveless. लेकिन ये कस्टमाइज होगा तो स्लीवलेस ही होगा. विथ स्लीव्स हम दिखाएंगे बाद में. आपको विथ स्लीव्स भी हम दिखाएंगे. ये आ गया आपका विथ स्लीव्स. देखिए कट. सो अब देखिए हम लोग कितना यूजर फ्रेंडली किया. व्हाई आई वाज पुटिंग दिस इनसाइड. सो हियर इन द बैक साइड आई विल एक्सप्लेन अ बिट. देखिए ये किसी का ये जगह बहुत चौड़ा है तो आप क्या करोगे, ये जो हुक है इसको यहाँ पे भी लगा सकते हो तो ये आपका थोड़ा बड़ा हो जाएगा. दीज आर ऑल वेरी इजीली एडजस्टेबल. ऐसे इतना सोच के बनाया और खुद मैंने हर पीस ट्राई किया. सो ये हो गया कॉफी कलर का. वेरी स्मार्ट लुकिंग. बैक ओपन. ये आएगा आपका बैक का दिस थिंग. इसका भी देखिए बहुत इजीली एडजस्टेबल है. हुक सिस्टम बना दिया आपके लिए. Number 14. So sleeveless, with sleeves, all options I'm giving you. Now एक बात, ऑर्डर देने के टाइम ये तो हो जाएगा लेकिन समटाइम्स क्या होता है अगर आप मतलब ये लेस शायद थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट आए, ये मार्केट में ना मिले तो ये थोड़ा सा चेंज हो सकता है लेस पार्ट. बट प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड ये थोड़ा कॉम्प्रोमाइज कीजिएगा. अदरवाइज don't give the order because I usually don't take orders but just for blouses I am taking orders. I know कि ये सबका डिमांड है तो लेकिन ये थोड़ा सा प्लीज बी फ्लेक्सिबल. हाँ. गोल्ड. नंबर 15 इज गोल्ड. Your feedback is important. Take the screenshot and WhatsApp 7603042696. We ship worldwide, cash on delivery in Kolkata only. Outside Kolkata via courier. Courier charges are applicable for shipments outside Kolkata. Free shipping in Kolkata. इतना मार्जिन है. देखिए हम कितना ज़्यादा मार्जिन है. बहुत सुंदर इसका यूज़ आप कर सकते हैं. ये देखिए ये थोड़ा सा लेंथ भी लॉन्ग है और ये पूरा गोटा और मिरर वर्क से हुआ है सैटिन सिल्क के ऊपर. थोड़ा रिच लुकिंग पार्टी वेयर के लिए यू कैन वेयर अ सॉलिड कलर साड़ीज और डिजाइनर साड़ीज. यू कैन वेयर देम विद स्कर्ट्स और लहंगास. बैक फुल ओपन. यहाँ पे पूरा हुक्स है. बहुत सारा कलर्स है इसका. V-neck with neck mirror work and full गोटा. इतना सुंदर फिनिशिंग है with cups. Dark bottle green. Rani, green, and then white. White with gold gota work and mirrors. Multiple purpose, you can use them. बहुत use होता है ये सब colors का. Now I'll show another very trendy corset blouse in satin with work. ये बहुत ही सुंदर पीस है. Again देखिए, इसका ये है front and back, full scope for adjustment. Side इतना मार्जिन भी है, दोनों साइड में इतना मार्जिन है. एंड दिस इज द कॉर्सेट ब्लाउज. कलर रेड, लेट मी नो ये डिजाइन सब कैसे हुआ है. अच्छा हुआ तो और भी बनाएंगे आपके लिए. These are all applique work in satin silk. Corset blouse with hand work, bead work. बहुत ही ट्रेंडी है. Any questions, feel free to WhatsApp 7603042696. These sizes are available 34, 36, 38. And can be increased to 40, 42. But and also it can be customized. Customized in the sense size only, not the design. Now here we have a jacket style where the inner, this is a very smart piece. देखिए ये पूरा again pure tissue का है. Inside there will be a sleeveless attached blouse. And then we have this cover up. It's a very different office wear, occasion wear, beautiful blouse. बहुत smart design है. And I'll show you the inside lining finishing also. Interlocked, full silk lining है. ये है इसका इनर पार्ट. देखिए ये थोड़ा लेंथ भी ये ऐसा आएगा. यू कैन से इट्स लाइक अ क्रॉप टॉप. ब्लैक, you cannot detach it. It's fixed. The inside sleeve along with this jacket, it's fixed. Very smart piece, very smart designs. gold. We have the striped tissue also. Opening front. I hope I'm able to show you in details the full concept of these blouses. Every piece is smart. Just wear a plain black sari with this or a milk white sari with this. कितना smart, different look आएगा, and go for a belt. Silver tissue. And now the one that I'm wearing, this is not my credit. It seems that Alia Bhatt had worn this mirror work multicolored blouse. ये मेरा कारीगर मुझे फोटो भेजा कि दीदी हम ये बनाए था, जो बना दीजिए. This I don't know, it's you can say Alia Bhatt inspired blouse. So this is it. Same color I'll show you the same color, but these are the more color options that we've made. But it's very trendy and looks very smart. इसका fit भी बहुत सुंदर है. Bottle green, vermilion red, multicolor है ना. You can wear it with lot of saris also, mix and match. But वैसे ये multicolor जाता भी है, mirror work भी है, very pretty looking. Rani, and then it seems she had worn this color. And the one that I'm wearing the purple of the same pattern, same price. 4,700. You'll get the purple also. Front back, same pattern. Now I'll show a very pretty. I have, I made one for myself, and then I had worn it in the showroom, and few of the customers really liked who were shopping in the store. So I made for you as well. See if you like this. These are pure modal silk, very trendy printed, rapid printed silk shirts. Very pretty silk shirts. And we have a combination of a red pocket, red collar, red in the sleeves, and sea green in the body. So it looks very smart, this combination, and very colorful, goes well with denim skirts and all. It's a long length shirt. It will be just above your hip, and sizes available 40, 42, 44, 2950. Now men's jacket, slim fit. This is a bit of slim fit. Men's jacket in Katha indigo with pocket. Actually this is unisex. Sizes available 40, 42, 44, 46. Unisex, or you can say men's jacket. Basically I made them for men only. Katha jacket with lining. And then this ladies jacket, Jamdani ladies jacket, I had worn with a cord. This I've made new design without a cord, with a button. Sizes available. Smart Jamdani jacket, and this what you are seeing, these are all stitches. These are all stitches. So hope you like today's episode, and I'll show you few more very pretty shawls. These are Ari Kashmiri velvet shawls, unisex, but men are loving them and they've bought a lot. In fact, I had 16, 17 pieces, only 3 left. So these also we keep. So those who are coming to our store, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, you can check out our men's collection and see there is a bit of sheen rhinestone finishing. This is velvet with full Ari embroidery, Ari Kashmiri shawls for men and unisex. And then look at this. These are not the thick velvet. These are very fine finish velvet type fabric, crepe velvet you can say. And look at the work. Throughout the shawl, it will have the thread work. See the reverse side. This is a velvet one. This is a proper velvet one with a border. So that's it for today's episode. Really keen to hear your reviews and feedback. Thank you so much. We'll be back again another video soon. Do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.